Hey, my name's Dawn. This is Lucy. We just took her out of the barn. She's been in there because it was so cold out for about 2-3 weeks. We're going to take her over here and do a little lunging for you. Come on, Lucy. You can come over here with me. Walk over here. A little slippery. Yep. 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 Lucy, hey. We're going to go over here further, where it's more flat. Are you with me?
Mhm.
Can you see me?
Mhm.
Good girl. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Yep. Easy. Easy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yep. 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 Good girl. Easy. 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 Walk. Walk. Easy. Easy. Lucy. Lucy, help. Well, she's been out for a couple days, so she got a little. Girl, come on. Easy. Easy. Get up. Yep. Yep. Easy. 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 Easy, Lucy. Trot. Lucy. Home. Back. 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 Home. All the way out, 40 feet out. Good girl. Good girl. Good, easy. 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 Trot. 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 Lucy, help. Help. Good girl. Help. Good girl. Back. 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 Help. Come on. Ooh. Good girl. Okay, stop. Okay, this is Lucy. We just did a little bit of round lunging work here. Left into the right. She backs real easy. She'll tuck her head down for you and collect up. when she's backing up especially. She looks really good. You can see that her mane does need a mane tamer. She's a wild child, half on the right, half on the left. But we just kind of let her go and do what she wants to do, like something like that. But I mean, a little mane tamer should be pretty nice. I'm probably going to do her feet tonight. She's just barefoot trim. Good foundation quarter horse. Great muscled up, got a great motor. This horse can get it. So that's Lucy, otherwise known as Del Star Pokey on her papers. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.